last time I put money into a photocopier and the result was extremely unexpected. If you haven't seen that video yet, go watch it here. But after I uploaded that video, I wanted to make sure that I wasn't tweaking, so I searched up how different currencies prevent themselves from being photocopied. And apparently, some banknotes are specifically designed to refuse being copied, especially the euro, because Europe uses some of the strictest anti-counterfeit protections in the world. So today I'm gonna test 4 different currencies to see if my printer actually blocks them or if it's completely stupid. We've got money from the UAE, Thailand, England, and finally the euro. And at the end, just for fun, I'm gonna try photocopying all of them at once. Also, if you enjoy these weird tech experiments, I would just like to remind you guys to subscribe to the channel and like the video because all my videos are suitable for a general audience and they all have a learning. I only upload a short and meaningful video each day. Anyways, let's bully this printer. First up, the UAE note. And this thing feels insane because it's completely plastic, which makes it feel less like money and a bit more like a futuristic access card. But that also means that photocopying this note to paper won't be of any use, so it might as well not have anti-counterfeit protection. But I'm gonna test it anyways. Alrighty, here's the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Wait, yeah, look at that, it copied perfectly. My printer did not care at all. UAE money isn't protected against some photocopying because, well, you can't replicate a plastic note using paper. Next up is Thailand. Now this note actually has way more features than the UAE note. It has a shiny strip and a secret picture. But it's still paper, so to prevent anyone from just copying it, it should ideally have protection. So I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna scan it now. Let's see if Thailand money has protection or not. No, it doesn't. And at this point I'm starting to think that my printer just ignores international law. Now it's time for the British pounds. And about the notes in my hand, I have a quick note. Get it? Note. The United Kingdom has switched to plastic-based notes some time ago, but because this note is actually older than me, it's still the paper version, so I'm just gonna use that. And based on my research, it should be very difficult to photocopy. But let's find out how difficult it actually is. Okay, printer, do your thing. Wait, why is this so perfectly copied? Look at the print quality, bro. My printer thinks it's a document. Also, these lines are not obfuscation. I could literally scan anything and it would have these lines. The scanner on this printer is actually intended for documents only. Wait, but my printer is supposed to stop this stuff. Instead, it's basically just saying, sure bro, here you go. Alright, time for the big one. The euro. This is the note I was most excited for because Europe is known for its extremely strict anti-counterfeit protections. So I feel like printing the euro should definitely fail, or at the very least should print at a reduced quality. Only one way to find out. Wait, is this also full quality printout? Why is my printer not obfuscating any of these? It feels like my printer is just breaking international laws on purpose. Okay, now just for fun, I'm gonna put all the notes in the scanner at the same time. Now either my printer detects at least one of these notes, or my printer is actually just stupid and it copies the money without obfuscating any of it. Let's find out. Yeah, look at that. High quality print again. Okay, so that means that this printer is just stupid. Oh wait, or maybe am I stupid for assuming that printers have a mechanism for detecting currency? I've got to research this. And so I got researching. I fell into a rabbit hole and researched the mechanism for how printers detect when money is scanned. So apparently every major currency has this pattern known as the Urian constellation. And this is what the printers detect. But how? Is there something special that I'm doing that allows me to photocopy money? Actually no, the detection mechanism is very robust, and here's how it works. The Urian constellation is made of 5 circles arranged in this specific pattern, and the printer uses a feature recognition algorithm to find out the location of each of these 5 dots and maps them on a coordinate plane. The printer then finds the distances and angles between the circles and compares them with those of the Urian constellation. If they match up, the printer realizes that money is being printed and ideally prevents the user from printing a usable copy of it. But because printers usually don't have much computation power, all of this has to be implemented in the firmware itself. And that's because you can't just code features onto a printer with just 128 MB of RAM. You've got to add specialized hardware for this. And I'm guessing this specialized hardware wasn't actually present on my printer, and that allowed me to print money. And that's actually kind of understandable, since my printer was quite a budget printer even though it had all the bells and whistles of a premium printer. So it's understandable why they did not add specialized hardware for it. But you know what else is understandable? Subscribing to the channel. But on a more serious note, I hope this video was fun and hopefully you learned a little bit from my research. Also guys, note that photocopying money is very much illegal, but I'm doing this only for educational purposes and I'm gonna destroy these notes immediately. Also, I did not hack my printer. It's just that my printer does not have the specialized hardware to prevent me from photocopying notes. Speaking of hacking, recently I did a challenge where I took a CIA style hacking test even though I'm a complete beginner. And that was quite fun. The video is on your screen now along with another video that the algorithm thinks you'll like. Go watch those videos now. But until then, I'll see you later, genies.